Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we're going to get some Kizers on the channel. It's been a little while since I've had something from Kizer on the channel, but this is the Meteora. Now, this was suggested, I'm pretty sure it was Tim B that suggested I check this one out. So, very cool, and thankfully, Blade HQ was very nice enough to send one out to check out. So, huge shout out to them as well. But, so, what does the Meteora give us? Well, we've got this really nice micarta scales and great grip. Great grip on this micarta for sure. Fairly open construction. We do have a stainless back spacer there. You've got a deep carry clip, which is deep carry for sure. It's reversible. Very nice. Lanyard fins. Well, might have to go with the old pocket clip lanyard on this one. Centering. Pretty on point for sure. And, of course, fit and finish looks very, very well done. Like I said, biggest plus for me on this one, you guys know I love micarta, is the grippiness of this micarta. It's very, very nice. Now, as you can see, you've got a couple of different options for opening. Really, I have one option, the thumb studs. It's just front flippers don't do it for me. They just don't. And I mean, they are definitely getting better. And this one, well, if I don't hit does flip very easily. What in the world? Okay. It does flip very easily. But it's got thumb studs. That's just what I use. Now, I know you're probably noticing something. Lock stick. I haven't tried to improve it at all. I don't do that before I show it to you. If you heard that, it came with some pretty decent lock stick on it. Now, can that go away? Yeah, with time, it'll break in a little bit, and you can probably work at it, put a little juice in there, and it should work its way out. Now, we don't have a coated blade, so that's just kind of, I don't know why we have this. You know, it's just a thing. It sticks. So, and we'll talk a little bit more in depth about that here in a minute. But jumps out there on the thumb studs for sure. Does very well. And like I said, it does front flip pretty darn easily. I love that blade. Nitro-V. Very nice. Satin finish. Nice drop point blade. Had some schmutz there. Nice swedge. You got a nice landing spot for the thumb. My thumb fits right in there. And as you can see where my thumb lands in the natural grip, I have a lot of room in that ramp left over. So those of you with a little bit larger hands, I think could benefit from that as well. So we'll do our spec check real quick. Get the spec check. So overall, we're looking at almost 7 3/4. Not quite, just a little shy. About 4 1/2 on the handle. 3 1/4-ish on the blade. Cutting edge is more close to 3 inches. Just a hair over. And then our grip length coming in 3 1/2, maybe there again, just a little bit over. Yeah, we'll go with 3 1/2. And as you guys know, that's pretty much the sweet spot for my grip. Absolutely. Comes right in there. So let's get size comparisons out of the way. So there it is up against the bug out. Yep, definitely a little bigger than the bug out. A little bit more PM2 size. PM2 might be just a bit, yeah, it is, definitely. It's close to a 1/2 inch on the blade and about a 1/4 inch on the handle. Get it weighed in. What do we got? I mean, you can tell every time I close it. It hasn't worked out that lock stick just yet. 3.7, 105 grams. We'll take a peek inside. Obviously, you can see you do have some weight reduction going on there. And while we've got it open, we'll look at that. I mean, access to the liner lock is fine. No issues. I mean, I can slide my thumb right over and shut it. And it does. The action is good with the exception of that stick. In the pocket, deep carry. Yes, indeed. Absolutely, definitely digging on that. And retention is pretty good. Could probably be, clip could be a little bit stiffer just to get that nice pop coming out of the pocket. But overall, not bad. Not bad at all. So, overall, what do I think of the Meteora? Well, I really like the design. The design is right up my alley. Now, this is a design collaboration with Yevgeny Bulachev. Design collaboration with Kizer, and it is very, I dig the design quite a bit. Fit and finish overall is good. The only thing I can really personally knock it on is that darn lock stick. But like I said, hopefully that should work out with some use, or maybe a little bit of juice, some care as well. But definitely had to show it to you. Now, I told you I was going to talk about something a little bit later. For some reason, they ended up sending out two. They sent it at different times. So I'm not sure the how, or, I guess there was just some mistake. But I want to show you something. That one's got lock stick too. So I usually say sample size of 1. But in this instance, it's a sample size of 2, and they both have the lock stick. So I am thinking that just tells me that it's more likely and possibly, not for sure, but it's possibly more of a, model issue rather than a single knife issue. Now, if you guys, any of you have gotten a Meteora, please let me know down in the comments. Did yours come with lock stick? That would be I would really, really like to know that, because, like I said, normally it's a sample size of 1. We see lock stick. Okay, yeah, it might be model. It might be just the knife. Who knows? In this instance, we've got 2 of them, and they both have it. So it's I see it. It just tells me that it could potentially be more of a model issue. Now, these guys are coming in, at the time I'm recording this, right around $70. So there you go. And they come in this black micarta. They also come in a Blue Canyon Rich Light or black aluminum. So whatever model you got, I'd be very, very interested to know if yours has that lock stick. I mean, huge shout out to Kizer. Obviously, there was a little bit of a mistake made when they were sending these out, and I got one package, and then like 2 or 3 days later, I got another package with the same stuff. So I'm like, okay, well, thank you, Kizer, or thank you, Blade HQ. I greatly appreciate it. So overall, I love the design. I didn't talk about ergos. The most important thing, ergos are fantastic. Design and ergos, it feels absolutely awesome in hand. Very, very cool. I am definitely digging everything but that lock stick. So, I don't know. Be interested to hear what you guys have to say about yours, if you got one. So, again, huge shout out to Blade HQ for sending out the Meteora and then making a mistake and sending out another Meteora. But both of them will get given away on the channel at some point, so keep your eyes open for that, guys. Greatly appreciate you stopping by and checking out the new Kizer Meteora with me. As always, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, we'll talk later, guys. Bye-bye.